Best Samsung tablets in 2023. Samsung is one of the top companies for Android smartphones and tablets. They have a wide selection of tablets to satisfy every type of user. But in the sea of tablets, you might be confused about which one is for you. So today, we're showcasing some of the latest and greatest Samsung tablets in 2023. We'll cover the latest and the best options. Some are more powerful, but they're expensive, others are cheaper and more compact but don't have the power as the top-tier options. Nobody makes Android tablets the way Samsung does. The company is an outlier as it still comes out with a flagship Android tablet every year, as part of the company's vision to offer something for everyone. Samsung's lineup also includes mid-range and affordable options. Its flagship tablets have really come into their own over the past few years. This variety can often present a challenge to those who just want to know what the best Samsung Galaxy tablets are. To help them out, we have created this list of best Samsung tablets which breaks down the strength of each option and explains who should buy them, and why, in addition to detailed information about each tablet. Number 1. Best Samsung Tablet. Spec Monster. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. There's no denying the fact that the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is one of the best Android tablets on the market. It's also the largest and most feature-packed flagship tablet from Samsung yet. It has an absolutely bonkers 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This is also the first tablet from Samsung to feature a notched display, which allows for slimmer bezels. Powering the tablet is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset that has an integrated 5G modem. It's paired with the 12th of August 16GB of RAM and 128/256 512ths of a gigabyte internal storage. A big 11,200 mAh battery powers the device, and supports 45W wired fast charging. One UI 4.1 adds many productivity features to make the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra the best option for power users, and ultra-low latency S Pen provides a lifelike writing experience. Number 2. Best Samsung Tablet. Best Productivity. Galaxy Tab S6. Much like its successor, the Galaxy Tab S6 was undoubtedly the best Android tablet to be released in 2019. It was also the first time that Samsung shipped its flagship tablet with the latest high-end chipset. Samsung initially released the LTE model only but later followed up with a separate 5G model. The Galaxy Tab S6 also happened to be the first Samsung tablet to feature a dual-camera setup at the back. Despite being a year old, it's still one of the best Samsung tablets for its $729 price tag, and can often be purchased at a discount these days. That's because it offers a better display than the base Galaxy Tab S7 and there's really no significant difference in performance. Number 3. Best Samsung Tablet. Best Entertainment. Galaxy Tab S5e. Do you only need a tablet to watch Netflix, occasionally browse the internet and use social media apps? The Galaxy Tab S5e is the best option for you, granted. All of this can also be done by the most basic of tablets. But there won't be any frustrating performance issues with the Galaxy Tab S5e. The $479 Galaxy Tab S5e was Samsung's thinnest tablet when it came out, yet it got a beautiful metal build and a gorgeous 10.5-inch Super AMOLED display. You really can't beat the quality of Samsung's AMOLED display, and watching video content on it is truly a visual delight. Rich sound is provided by its AKG-tuned quad speakers, making it a well-rounded device for chilling with on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Number 4. Best Samsung Tablet. S Pen on a budget. Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Samsung launched the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite earlier this year, with the sole purpose of bringing the S Pen to the masses. Previously, one needed to purchase Samsung's flagship tablet just to get the S Pen experience. With the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, Samsung has significantly lowered that barrier of entry. It still feels sufficiently premium thanks to its metal body. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite also has something that none of the tablets mentioned above have: a 3.5mm headphone jack. Don't expect a gorgeous AMOLED panel, though. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has a 10.4-inch LCD display. The tablet isn't suited to heavy workloads, but if you don't need that much power, at $429 it's a great option for those who want the S Pen experience without breaking the bank. It's often available for purchase online at a decent discount. Number 5. The best all-around Samsung tablet. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. The Galaxy Tab S8 is good at a lot of things, but it's best at being a general-purpose Android tablet. You can use it to get work done in a pinch, but in my experience it's best enjoyed as a speedy all-purpose device. For making work and play a bit more enjoyable, on the couch. It's great for gaming or reading comics, and at work it's nice to have as a note-keeping device or secondary display. Especially if you go to the trouble of investing in the Galaxy ecosystem, and making your workspace DeX-friendly, if you absolutely must have the biggest, baddest Android slate possible, you probably want the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. But if you just need a great premium Android tablet, the Galaxy Tab S8 delivers, and in the process, sets a new standard for what we should expect from the category. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.